The killer of Scottish teenager Jodi Jones has failed to win a legal battle at Scotland's highest civil court over a parole board decision to deny him his freedom. 36-year-old Luke Mitchell instructed lawyers to go to the Court of Session in a bid to show that the board acted unlawfully in how it decided to keep him in jail last April. Mitchell stabbed 14-year-old Jodi to death in the woods near her home in Dalkeith in 2003. His advocate Sean McPhee argued earlier this month that the hearing was procedurally unfair and failed to consider all the evidence which was before it. The court heard how Mitchell wanted the hearing adjourned as he wanted to consult his lawyer about a report which detailed the risk he posed to public safety. In the end, the board used other evidence to make its findings that Mitchell should remain in prison. Luke Mitchell was just 14 when he murdered Jones in Midlothian and was later sentenced to serve a minimum term of 20 years before being eligible for parole. He had been dating Jodi for 4 months when he killed her in what Judge Lord Nimmo Smith later described as a truly evil murder. Jodi had failed to return home on the evening of June 30th, and Mitchell claimed to have been alerted to her body by his dog while out looking for her. She was discovered with her hands tied behind her back, her throat cut and her body repeatedly slashed. The teenagers had made plans to meet on the evening of June 30th, but according to Mitchell, she never showed up. Following a 10-month police inquiry, Mitchell was accused of her murder and was 16 when he was convicted at the High Court in Edinburgh in 2005. He's lost 4 appeals but has attracted a significant following of online supporters convinced of his innocence since a TV documentary was aired in 2021. After Mitchell's parole bid was refused, a relative of his victim said, "If this man was released, I would fear for women. He is a dangerous killer and should remain inside for a long time to come."